Here's how to delete rows in Google Sheets. You can select any cell or even the entire row, right-click and delete row. You can select the whole row, you can delete row, and you can also select multiple rows or multiple cells. And if you right-click, it'll say delete rows 4 through 7. It tells you exactly the rows that are being deleted. Now, if I delete one row, I can now select any other row and do Command Y or redo, and it's redoing the last thing that I did, which is delete a row, and I can delete any number of rows this way with just Command Y without having to right click. There's another way. I can select any row and go up to Edit, Delete, and here I have the option to delete row 4. If I select multiple rows or multiple cells that cover multiple rows, go up to Edit, Delete, and now it says rows 4 through 9 I can delete. Same if I select the entire row of 4 through 9, Edit, Delete, and it just says rows 4 through 9. I could also delete the values if I wanted to, but that wouldn't delete the rows, just the values within those rows. If I have multiple columns selected, the rows are not deletable, just so you know. There's another way. I can go up to Extensions, AppScript. I can create a function, delete row, and here I can say spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet get range. I can do getActive spreadsheet.delete row, and here I just need a row integer, so let's say 3. What that's going to do is delete the third row. Let's Command S and save it, and I'm going to hit run. I will need to authorize the very first time I run this. And now we see that row 3 was deleted. And I can do this over and over again. I can run this and delete that row. I can even get this as a range. So variable row equals spreadsheet app.getActiveRange.getRow. Now, whichever row I'm on will be this variable row. So I just take 3 out and put in row, save it, and let's put it on row 7. Click run. And now row 7 was deleted. See, there it was. I can click undo as well and undo all of those deletes. This is a cool way to delete rows programmatically or in different ways. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.